folks.
Well, don't tell Rennie, Roy, but the jet bus has 42,000 horsepower behind it from that General Electric jet engine that used to belong to an F-4 Phantom fighter jet. So 360 horsepower compared to 42,000 horsepower. I don't know about you folks. Who is with Rennie? Who thinks Rennie Price can beat the school bus? We've got some believers out there. How many of you think the school bus is going to win? All right. Well, we're going to see who's going to win this in just a couple of seconds. We've got the school bus lined up there on the taxiway. We're just waiting for Rennie Price to get turned around and ready for the race.
All right, folks, who thinks it's going to be Rennie Price? Come on, make some noise. And the bus?
I'm dragging it. I'm going to slow this thing down as much as I can. And I'll tell you what, I still don't think that thing's going to have a chance. 40 or 50 horsepower, whatever you got.
40 or 50 horsepower. You think so? We haven't told them how many horsepower is in that bus. All right, are you ready?
Here is 42,000 horsepower versus 360, and the race is on.
Wow!
Rennie is well ahead, but here comes the school time jet bus. Is it going to be Rennie?
Hey, Rennie, you lost.